Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing with ShareASale step by step clearly. First, sign up for a ShareASale account if you haven't already. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the affiliate option. Fill out the application form with your details. Wait for confirmation of your account approval. Once approved, log in to your ShareASale account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, browse through the available merchants. Use keywords or categories to find merchants that align with your niche. Review the commission rates offered by each merchant. Select merchants that provide competitive rates and quality products. Once you identify your preferred merchants, apply to their affiliate programs. After approval from the merchants, you will gain access to their marketing materials. Download banners, text links, and product images that appeal to your audience. Now, incorporate these materials into your website or blog. Ensure that the content is relevant to your audience and blends seamlessly. Create engaging, high-quality content that promotes the merchant's products. Utilize various formats like blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Consider writing honest reviews to build trust with your audience. Use SEO best practices to drive organic traffic to your content. Share your affiliate links wisely to maximize click-through rates. Track your performance through ShareASale's reporting tools. Analyze which merchants and products yield the highest conversions. Adjust your marketing strategy based on this data. Experiment with different promotional methods to see what works best. Stay updated with ShareASale's new merchant offers and promotions. Engage with your audience through emails or social media for increased interaction. Continuously optimize your website for user experience and load speed. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Results will come over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.